Welcome back all my beautiful DeFi ladies and gents for another installment in the weekly passive income bot portfolio series. Man, I really need to come up with a shorter name. In this series we go through all of the passive income crypto bot projects that I'm invested in and we compare results. Did we make money? Did we lose money? You will have to bear with me to the end of the video to find out about that. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a bit weird. I woke up today with a painfully sore throat and I also threw up, which was absolutely lovely. Nothing better than throwing up freaking stomach acid when you have a sore throat. But yeah, whatever, I'm rambling, you already know. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave me a like, leave me a comment, join my Telegram group. And check out my website, you can find links to all of the projects that I'm invested in on there, as well as links to all of my socials. And with that being said, let's hop right into the first project. First project that we have is YetBot by GT Protocol. This is a copy trading platform, meaning all you need to do is purchase yourself one of these subscriptions. Here are the subscription plans. As you can see, they are very expensive, and that is because they actually doubled the price of these subscriptions this week, yesterday evening I believe. So if you watch my last video that I did on this project on Monday, which I will link up in the right hand corner of the video right now, you can check that out. I go into much more detail in that video, highly recommend you watch it. But yeah, if you watch that video, I mentioned this, that they will be doubling the price. So I got the unlimited plan, as you can see, and I got it for $750, and right now it's $1,500. But you know, you can always go with the cheaper plans as well. So after you have purchased your subscription, you simply just need to pick a trader. I personally went with TrendRider version 2 because you already know APY is plus 1529%. Let's get this crypto, and this dude is very active as well in their Telegram group. They also got TigerBot. This is a very popular one and has been around for quite some time now. Yeah, basically all of these people can be found in their Telegram group as well. This start signal I'm looking to maybe try out with some risk capital. You can see it's pretty crazy APYs on this, but if we have a look at it, last deals, you can see that it's very volatile, so goes up like crazy, but it can also do this bang. So yeah, that's what I think is so cool about this project. You get to like set your own risk level. If you want to go super low risk, you can simply just pick one of these spot traders which have less profit margins, but you know, the short, yeah, it speaks for itself. So yeah, let's head over to my strategies. Also, yeah, this is very important, I forgot to mention this. So GT Protocol is a official partner of the Binance Futures Broker Program, meaning that, so what that means is you can only use Binance exchange to trade, you know. So there has been a lot of people asking me which exchanges you can use, and the answer is you can only use the Binance exchange. I'm guessing this has to do with, you know, them being partners. Binance probably doesn't want them to use, you know, competitor exchanges. So yeah, here is my bot. So if we have a look at that, I started the bot this morning, so I have not made any trades yet. I promise you guys I will share the first closed trades in my Telegram group so that you can make up your mind, you know, is it worth it or is it not worth it to get into this. I'm very much looking forward to seeing what kind of results we will get with YetBot over time. Also, there was someone asking me like, how do I activate my bot, or what happens after I have picked my trader slash bot. So let's say we want to go with TigerBot. All you need to do is just copy. You can see you have successfully purchased TigerBot. Here's my TigerBot. What I will then have to do is pick from which exchange they want me to take funds from for trading. So right now you can see that I only have exchange, but if I had a broker account, which you can create through the YetBot website in just one click. It's super easy. That would show up as well, so I get to pick between these. After that, you simply just need to click on launch bot and you are ready to start making some passive income, baby. Anyway, I don't want to spend more time rambling about this project. You can check out my previous video on YetBot for more in-depth detail. Next up we have Optimus, or OPT3 or OPT4, whatever the version is right now. So yeah, this one pays out 1% daily passive income. AI trading generates revenue for holders. Daily income paid directly to your wallet, meaning you can just hold the token in your wallet, no need to lock it up, and 0 fees. So basically this is like a rebase token that uses AI bots to hold the price floor and to add funds to the liquidity. So this is OPT4, which is their version on the Binance Smart Chain. So this launched yesterday, and as you can see, it's solid thus far. Let's get this crypto. Let's head over to the Optimus website again and let's check the price for OPT3. This is on the Polygon network. This is the one that I'm invested in. So as you can see, it's keeping about $80 to $1 range right now, and it was all the way up to $1 and like 60-70 cents. Then we had this massive dump, and that's the price you pay, you know, for the best performing assets. They can be crazy volatile, so this was really freaking scary. I actually bought some more right here, but yeah, it's not fun seeing a token go down like 80% in a day. Anyway, account. So as you can see, I sold off a lot of tokens. I had about 1000 tokens, 984 tokens to be exact, and I sold off a lot yesterday to get into YetBot. And I'm gonna be honest guys, like we had the version 4 come out yesterday, and really it only was like a version on the Binance Smart Chain. To me that's not really that exciting. Also they reduced the amount of trades that you can do on this token per day from 50 down to 20. I have no idea if that is bullish or bearish. I don't really care. Doesn't affect me. What other updates did we have? They will start to do some marketing in China or the Asian markets, and you know, that's good. Maybe we'll get some new people into this. But yeah, like personally I don't see really that much happening for the token right now, so I just decided to sell off some, and I will get back in if I get excited about some new kind of development. Next up we have Prosperity Gem Mining. Man, this thing has been an absolute printer, let me tell you. Contract balance is right now above 1.7 million. That's awesome to see. So yeah, this pays out 2% daily. The founder and CEO, Manny, he is fully doxed, and he's actually a YouTuber, so he shows his face on YouTube, which is great, you know, makes me feel personally much more comfortable with investing in something like this, knowing that the owner actually has a face, and if he tries to do some dumb stuff, then we know who you are. But yeah, nah, there's really not much to say about this project. They use a combination of mining and bot trading, or they did. I don't think they are allowed to claim that they trade anymore. So yeah, it's coming from mining, bro. Trust. Next up we have automated USDT Capital, which is a fork of Prosperity Gem Mining, but the owner was not doxed, and this has actually rogged. As you can see, only 2.96 USDT in the contract balance, and I lost 100 USDT. How will I survive? All my haters are salivating right now. And last but not least we have Hedge Fund AI and their NG trading bot. So this is a crypto trading bot fully hosted on Telegram, still running. As you can see, if we have a look at my history. So yeah, you will have to do a KYC for this one if you are interested in getting in. There's a lot of people who don't like this project. I totally get why. I personally trust the owner of this project, but I would say that this is definitely the riskiest one of all of these projects. So if this is a project that you would like to test out, oh and yeah, you can earn 0.01 0.714% on your invested capital in this project. Where can I find this? Oh yeah, here. 0.14% per day. If this is a project that you would like to test out, only put in risk capital that you can afford to lose. Okay, so these are the results from week 4. I didn't record a video last week, so I don't have the results from week 5, but yeah, as we can see, total weekly dividend income is $161.36. Now let's see how we are doing this week. Okay, so this is the results from week 6. So we are definitely down, as you can see. This has to do with the automated USDT Capital rug, me selling off a huge portion of my OPT3 tokens, and my Yetbot, just got activated, so it hasn't started to do trades yet. So what I will do now is I will replace this with the Yetbot instead. So I just replaced the USDT Capital thing with Yetbot and we are wrecked. No, but hopefully my Yetbot will start to do some trades soon and we can see some daily income start to trickle in. Let's get this crypto. No updates on the Excel spreadsheet. I'm thinking I will probably hire someone instead to create a real professional portfolio tracker, because if you didn't know, not only do I have a day job, but I also have a watch business, so the holiday seasons are always crazy for retail businesses, so I literally don't have time for anything. It's a freaking mess, guys. But anyways, this is not a watch channel or a e-commerce channel. This is a goddamn crypto channel. Anyway, I'm rambling. My throat is killing me. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me a comment. Check out my Telegram group. Like the video. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.